Join me as I challenge myself to log out of my Gmail account from my phone in under a minute. Let's see if I can do it. In this video, you'll learn how to log out of your Gmail account from your phone in just a few easy steps, ensuring your information stays secure. Many users struggle with finding the right settings to log out of their Gmail account, which can lead to privacy concerns. It's easy to think that you've logged out of your Gmail account when you've simply closed the app, but this isn't the case. Your account can still be active in the background, leaving your information vulnerable. A lot of people don't realize how important it is to properly log out of their Gmail account, especially when using a shared device. This lack of awareness can put your personal information at risk. By not logging out, you're leaving your account open to potential hacking or unauthorized access. We'll walk through the specific steps to access your Gmail settings, navigate to the account management section, and successfully log out. The first step is to open your Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the three horizontal lines on the top left corner to access the menu. From there, scroll down and tap the Settings option. You'll be taken to the Settings page, where you'll see a list of options. Scroll down to the Accounts section and tap on your Gmail account. You'll see a list of devices that are currently connected to your account. Find the device you're currently using, in this case, your phone, and swipe left to sign out. The method I'm about to show you is quick and easy, and it's essential to do this whenever you're finished using your Gmail account on your phone. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your account is completely logged out and your information is safe. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to online security. You never know when someone might stumble upon your phone or find it lying around, so it's crucial to take the extra step to log out of your Gmail account. Think about all the sensitive information that's stored in your email. You wouldn't want that falling into the wrong hands. You'll be relieved to know that logging out of your Gmail account is a straightforward process that takes less than a minute. You don't need to be tech savvy to do this, just follow the simple steps I'm about to show you. The moment you hit that logout button is crucial. You'll finally see how simple it is to ensure your Gmail account is secure on your device. You'll feel a sense of relief knowing that your information is safe and secure, and you'll be able to rest easy knowing that you've taken the necessary steps to protect yourself online. The moment you hit that logout button is crucial. You'll finally see how simple it is to ensure your Gmail account is secure on your device. You'll feel a sense of relief knowing that your information is safe and secure, and you'll be able to rest easy knowing that you've taken the necessary steps to protect yourself online. You'll be grateful that you took the time to learn how to log out of your Gmail account, and you'll be more confident when using your phone to check your emails. It's a simple trick, but it's an important one that can save you from a lot of stress and worry in the long run. To recap, we've covered the step-by-step process of logging out of your Gmail account on your phone, emphasizing the importance of security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your online accounts.